Hey everyone, Suzanne Barnhurst here. I thought since I sensed a little bit of discomfort with the hybrid format for CR504 that I do a video summary of what's going to happen this week in Unit 2. So first of all, I'd like you to welcome you to Week 2, Unit 2 of CR504. And what I'm going to do is do a little overview of the unit itself, what's in the unit, and what's expected of you this week. So let me here try and share my screen. Okay, so here we are at the course home. The first thing you'll see this week is here under is an announcement, which will show up right here in the course home. It'll also be arrive in your email. So you'll see the announcement tomorrow afternoon starting at 5 o'clock, or you're seeing it right now, I'm sorry. It'll be open at 5 o'clock today. I'll send you an email to let you know about it. There is a written as well as this visual announcement. The next thing you'll need to do is go to the Weekly Units tab, open that up, and go to Unit 2 and open that. Here we have Unit 2. Each unit is set up exactly the same. The first thing you'll see is learning objectives, then what's going to happen during the week or weekly tasks. Then the next thing that you'll see are the readings and the resources. The forms and assignments will appear below these three labels and will not open until the course itself is, will not open until the week that of the week of the opening unit. So Unit 2's forum and assignments open the night on the Thursday of week 2. Unit 3 is open the Thursday of week 3. Okay, so what's happening this week? Well, the first thing is we're going to be looking at chapters 3, 4, and parts of 15 about collecting information and what information is needed to be collected to enable the marketing manager to monitor and adapt to the changing environment as far as the marketing concept is concerned. The other thing we'll be looking at is parts of chapter 15, which is about developing new products and specifically innovation. The weekly tasks this week, what do you need to do? Well, the first thing you'll need to do is be sure that you read, view the videos, and engage with the readings and the resources. In each unit, I provide you with additional resources besides the text to give you a much broader view of the market, of holistic marketing and that philosophy. And I encourage you to read and review all of these because they really add a great deal of understanding to the course and help you, and you'll see lots of examples of excellent companies who subscribe to the holistic marketing concept. The second thing you'll be doing this week is the unit discussion, and then this week the group project is posted, and you'll need to start that. So here are the reading and resources for this week. You read chapter 3, 4, and parts of 15. Here's the additional articles, websites, and videos. Something here on loyalty programs, which are the things that collect your data, help you give you a better understanding of how they can contribute to marketing information systems. A little bit of information about focus groups, something about using market research for social media, and then 2 very excellent videos, one on what do you do with all that information once you have it, and the second one by a very young Steve Jobs about marketing research and what that meant to him. And I find this is an excellent video. So now we're down to the nuts and bolts of the week, which is the discussion forum and the group project. The discussion forum is listed here, so you have an idea of what the discussion forum is going to be about. To connect with the discussion forum, you scroll back up here to the discussion board tab, click on that, and then you will see the discussion forum number 1 for week 2 is listed right here. It's a video by marketing guru Malcolm Gladwell about market research. What you need to do is view the video, read the questions and understand them, and then post your initial response by Sunday, which is January 20th, and then post at least 2 replies to other students by the following Wednesday, which is January 23rd. I encourage you to participate in the forum at least 3 times during the week. More is appreciated, so that we can have a lively and valuable conversation about market research and Mr. Gladwell's philosophy with this particular video. All right, just real quickly, you click on the discussion forum link, and when you put your initial post in, you click on create a thread and post your initial post. When you respond to a student, you click on reply in their post, and then that way you don't need to start an additional thread. Okay, let's go back to the weekly units and back to Unit 2 and review the group project. So the group project is posted here. You'll see that the actual project itself, the document describing the project, is attached. You need to open that and review it. You have been randomly assigned to a group. You will find your group assignment in the left-hand navigation bar marked My Groups. Now, before I go up to that navigation bar and show you where it is, you will only see the group that you're assigned to, not that everyone else is assigned to. Each group has 3 members with the exception of one group, which has 4 because we have 13 students. So once you review the document, you want to go up here to My Groups. Mine doesn't, yes, here it is, My Groups. And you'll notice that all 4 groups are in my tab, my navigation bar. That's because I'm the teacher and I have access to all 4 of your groups. In case you need any assistance or help, I can come into your group and look and see what you've done so far and give you a hand. So again, only your group will appear in this left-hand navigation bar. If you're in group 1, you'll see group 1, etc. All right, back to the group project. So this is an explanation about the group project, what I want you to do, how I want you to approach it. And one thing I want you to take note of is down here at the bottom, I've attached an article called The Ultimate Marketing Machine. I highly encourage you to read that. It not only gives you several excellent examples of companies who are fully embracing the holistic marketing concept, but it also is a great summary of what we talked about last week when we talked about all the introductory concepts that we discussed Thursday night in class, including how this marketing concept and these companies follow the 4 marketing dimensions of internal marketing, integrated marketing, performance, and relationship marketing. So I encourage you to read that before you choose your company. So then as a group this week, you should throw out some ideas as to which company you think would be a good choice. And I would like you to post your choice by Wednesday, January 23rd. I have here 9 o'clock. As long as you get it to me sometime Wednesday or Thursday, I'll be happy. If you're having trouble choosing a company, by all means, contact me. Okay, one last thing, and we'll stop sharing this and go back to the big screen. One last thing, I would encourage you to check your email twice a week, at least twice a week. I often send out an additional email. Sometimes I post it as an announcement and then send it out as an email also. If I find something or I see people going down the wrong path or misunderstanding things, or I find some great information that I think might help you. So please check your email twice a week. Anytime you have a question, if it's a question about the course content or assignments, please post it in the Ask the Instructor form. That way, if someone else has the same question, they can see the answer. If it's about something personal or another issue, please email me or call my cell phone. As I said, I'm usually available till about 9:30 each night. Possibly on the weekends will be the only time you won't be able to get me during the day, but other than that, I'm pretty much available. So I hope that helps clear up any concern or any, if you had any questions. And I look forward to working with you this week. You will see me in the forums, and I will most likely post a response to everybody's initial post and then throw in a few extra questions here and there. And sometimes I can find some great information I might throw in there too. So enjoy the week, everyone. Stay safe in the snow, and I will talk to you in the forums.